So I got Richard to pick me up right after work. I just got off work and we're about to hit up a skate park, hopefully planz skate park. I really want to skate planz. And let's see how today goes. It's a little overcast, but let's look at the positivity. Here's Richard.
What's up, man? Let's get it. Let's go skate planz.
Oh, there we go. We got it. Yes. We got to go to planz. Yes. So I'll see you there right now. Richard decided to get out and warm up really quick right here since we're waiting for Julian Coop. We're waiting for Julian, so just gonna skate the local park really quick, Heritage, and then I guess we're off. Let's see how long this little warm-up takes, because I'd love to warm up at planz. I really never do go to planz, so we'll see right now. He's off and about. Warm-ups. Julian Cook just showed up. We're able to leave now. Let's leave to the next park. Now let's go to the next park. planz Park. We're hitting you up right now.
Pop out the 50-50.
That was sick. Look at that vomit. Oh.
Still recording?
Yeah.
Passos dropping a new part for these.
Let's go.
Everyone was spooked.
Ziggy just came and joined us.
I got a song for this. I had to wash my spoon.
I just fuck your bitch with some Gucci flip-flops. I just had some bitches and I made them look rock. I just took a piss and I seen codeine coming out.
So we just got here and it's sprinkling, raining, whatever you want to call it, and we're still gonna skate. It doesn't matter. It kind of does, but you know what? I want to skate. What about you, Julian?
I want to skate too.
Alright, let's get this session started.
First trick in the rain, what you got, Moog?
You're gonna film it?
Mm-hmm.
Alright, he's gonna film it. Well, let's get this.
Which one's yours? That one?
I'm gonna get a life extension board next.
Sweet. Alright, let's get this. Film it. You said you're filming it. Ooh.
I got you.
Alright, go to the bump to rail. I'll feeble it first shot. Feeble it first shot.
This guy isn't joking, man. Mowgli for Skater of the Year.
Nice. It was sketch, but cool. Alright, let's get it.
Feel your board's like waterlogged. It was so wet that your board didn't.
Power slide. It didn't work.
Has anyone ever gapped from Euro to rail?
Getting rain out here. Sketch ollie right there.
Arigato.
In the rain, guys. Look at this. All his marks.
Jesus.
What is it?
I'm giving you $1, but we gotta break the 5.
Alright, for sure. He just did a varial section, sketch, rain, and everything, man.
Shall we do it? Right here. I'll just keep the first one. Hashtag why not video.
So Ziggy finally decided to come out. He thought that the rain would stop. Now let's see what he got. Ooh. Dropping in. Ooh. Oh my goodness. Look at that.
Automatic slip. God. That was gnarly.
So Ted really wants to get his quick clip, so he's gonna dry up the quarter pipe. Yeah, it's going down. It's going to happen. This is sick, man.
Oh, man.
Chips, let's eat some chips, bro. What the fuck?
What is it? Yeah. Yeah.
Oh, fuck.
appreciate you guys watching the videos on my YouTube channel. Thank you for subscribing and liking. Leave any comments if you guys would like any more videos like this. Thank you. And it's gonna keep raining today, so I'm happy that I at least got to get a session with my friends.